swimming. I'm at my dad's right now. And I'm going swimming with them. And yeah, I'll probably bring you on the journey. So yeah, I think I am going today or like going tomorrow. I don't know, but I'll probably vlog. So yeah.
Part of the Hadlow Group at the Kent County Show. This Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Here's an astronaut.
Okay, so we just came out of the pool and now we're dressed. See, my hair's wet and I have these weird shoes on. You have covers that cover your feet and it's really weird. So yeah, now we're going back home and probably go watch stuff. I don't know. Yeah, we are on our way home. We're on our way home. We're just getting in the car and yeah. Woo! We are on our way back now. Well, we're going to have a Subway. Yeah! We are stuck in traffic. Whoa. Now we're moving. So there's a horse box.
Oh, those are cool traffic lights.
And yeah, we're moving now. We are moving now. Okay, we're back from Subway and I got Oasis, pink and passion fruit. No, pink and passion fruit. No, it's peach and passion fruit. Then I got, come on, stupid dog. Got these, all original. And then I also got a chicken tikka masala or something, I don't know. And yeah, okay, now I am just going on my laptop and listening to music, and yeah, I am going to end my vlog here because I'm not really doing much. So yeah, hope you like it. Give it a like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.